Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GEVO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation at that link. Very nice movement today on this one, and now that definitely brings up some questions headed into next week. And I realize that this is, pretty straightforward, but nice movement right there. So any rational person would say, yeah, that's a good solid move. But that does bring about the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind that price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this area right here at $9.75. And why is that level important and helpful? And I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but just for an explanation's sake, let's say the price were to come down to $9.75, behave in that manner, and then continue on down. What would you have at that point? Well, you would quite literally have the price having gone right back to where it was. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price goes back to where it was, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Again, not saying that's what's going to happen, but that's what's being represented there. Whereas, to be fair, though, no price can just go straight up either. But if the price were to come down here, difference being behave like that before working its way back upwards, what would you have at that point? Well, now all of a sudden, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have lows there and lows down there. And if you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, what do you have? Well, now all of a sudden you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress. And in this situation, quote unquote, progress again being defined as that 975 mark. In terms of areas of resistance now to watch moving forward, it's all about that level right up there at, we'll call it $11.35. And that's just simply where the party and momentum stopped from a few days ago. So we want to watch that very closely. But all in all, very impressive movement today. Very nice late day breakout. Now it's just a question of, can the price build upon this momentum and start to show some signs of progress? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.